Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Entrepreneurship Week 11 Assignment 11. So the first question is as industries mature. So these are the option and the answer of our first question is B. Employment declarates. Now let's go to our question number 2. Food delivery companies such as Zomato and Swiggy brought this change to the employment scenario. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is B. Huge informal employment all on contract. Now let's go to our question number 3. One of the biggest drivers of entrepreneurial employment, direct and indirect, of all types in recent years has been. So these are the option and the answer of our third question is D. Digital entrepreneurship. Now let's go to our question number 4. E-commerce startup sectors growth has triggered huge corresponding growth in. So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is C. Logistics. Now let's go to our question number 5. India's startup employment experience indicates that the maximum employment was in. So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is B. Logistic startups. Now let's go to our question number 6. Which of the following is not a genomic or genetics related biology startup? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is D. Prosthetics domain. Now let's go to our question number 7. Which of the following statement is true with reference to a company? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is D. The board of directors and the CEO are responsible for corporate governance. Now let's go to our question number 8. In most listed Indian companies, the following board committee plays a major role in ensuring corporate governance in India. So these are the option and the answer for our eighth question is A. Audit committee. Now let's go to our question number 9. Village industries, for example, pottery, carpentry, honey extraction, give self-employment to. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is C. Skilled artisans, whether formally educated or not. Now let's go to our question number 10. The lowest level by percentage of the number of startups recognized by the government of India is in the domain of. So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is D. Education. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.